isn't a new feature, but it is so cool and I think underrated. People don't even know about it, or maybe they're not using it. What do you do when you go to a conference or some kind of in-person event and you're collecting those business cards? Yes, people still give out their business cards. Well, did you know inside of GoHighLevel, Funnel Gorgeous, or any of the other white label systems that you use, you can just scan those cards and they will become contacts. I have my phone connected here, and let me show you how easy it is. When you connect your GoHighLevel slash, it's called lead connector when you're connecting it on your phone. This is just a test account that I use. What we want to do is go into our contacts. So I'll just go into my contacts, and then notice down at the bottom the little plus. I'm going to click the plus, and I can either manually add it or I can scan a business card. I'm going to scan a business card, and then I just hover over that business card. I don't even have to click the little camera button. And then I click the check mark. Do I want to scan the back? I'm not going to worry about that right now. And then it takes just a quick second, and it is scanning that information, and it has created that business card. Now, when we look at the business card here, we can see the name, we can see the email, all of that information, what kind of lead it is, so forth. I'm going to save the contact. And now you'll notice, though, that there's no tag added. So I'm going to add a tag. Now, in a perfect world, you'll already have a tag created for ABC conference or whatever it is. I'm just going to pick something bogus here and say save. And now it has updated that. So I'm going to come back over inside of my GoHighLevel. I'm going to just refresh my contacts. And then we'll see this new contact that I just inserted by scanning it here. And then here is the contact that I just added. If I wanted to add some notes, if I wanted to add other tags. But how easy is that? By using your phone, scanning the business cards, then it automatically puts it into your GoHighLevel account. So try